Hi, I'm Ms. Katrina. This story is about being smart. Tommy and Lucy the cat go to Brazil. They go to the rainforest. They see a river. How can they go over the river? We will practice 3 words. Rainforest. R-A-I-N-F-O-R-E-S-T. The rainforest is a forest with many plants and animals. River. R-I-V-E-R. A river has water and it goes from one place to another place. Vine. V-I-N-E. A vine is long and has leaves. Listen for the words in the story. Rainforest, river, vine. Let's begin. Lucy the cat in Brazil. Lucy is a cat. Cats can't talk. But Lucy the cat can talk. And Lucy the cat can go around the world. Tommy goes with Lucy the cat around the world. Tommy says, "Let's go, Lucy." Lucy the cat says, "Okay, close your eyes." Tommy closes his eyes. Lucy says, "Open your eyes." Tommy opens his eyes. He sees trees. He sees people. The sun is warm. Lucy says, "Welcome to Brazil." Tommy says, "Brazil has the Amazon rainforest. I want to go to the rainforest." Lucy the cat says, "I want to take a nap in the sun." Tommy says, "You can go inside my backpack. You can take a nap in the sun." "Okay," says Lucy the cat. They go to the rainforest. They see many trees. They see many flowers. It's beautiful. Then it rains. Lucy the cat says, "Where is the sun?" Tommy says, "This is the rainforest. It rains in the rainforest." The rain makes the plants grow. Tommy and Lucy the cat hear a noise. What is the noise? It is a bird. The bird is red and yellow and blue. Lucy the cat looks at the bird. She wants to catch the bird. The bird flies into the sky. Then they see a river. It is a big river. The river is green. It has a lot of plants. The bird flies over the river. Lucy the cat wants to go over the river. She wants to see the bird. Tommy says, "How can we go over the river?" Lucy the cat jumps onto a tree. She sees a vine. She says, "Tommy, hold the vine." Tommy holds the vine. Lucy the cat goes into Tommy's backpack. Tommy holds the vine and jumps into the air. He jumps over the river. Then Tommy and Lucy the cat see many birds. The birds are beautiful. It's time to go home. Lucy the cat says, "Close your eyes." Tommy closes his eyes. Then he opens his eyes. He sees his house. The end. In the story, Tommy and Lucy the cat go to the rainforest. How can they go over the river? Lucy the cat goes into the tree. She gives Tommy a vine. Tommy holds the vine and jumps over the river. Tommy and Lucy the cat are smart. Thank you for listening and reading with me. I'm Ms. Katrina. Please like and follow for more stories. Bye now.